Ever thought about taking your furry friend on your next vacation? Imagine sharing every adventure, every sunset, every crazy, unexpected detour with your loyal companion. Pets come in all shapes and sizes, ranging from the regular domesticated variety to ones that are slightly more exotic. Regardless of your pet preference, traveling with those companions can be wonderful, with a little preparation. Traveling with pets can be an incredibly rewarding experience, but it's not without its challenges. Picture this. You're enjoying a leisurely drive through the countryside, the wind is in your hair, and suddenly your dog decides to share his lunch with the back seat of your car. Ah, the joys of pet ownership. Or how about that time you thought it would be a great idea to take your cat on a hiking trip? You know, the one that ended with you climbing a tree to rescue Mr. Whiskers, who decided that heights weren't really his thing after all. But don't let these funny tales deter you. Yes, traveling with pets requires a bit more preparation and maybe a bit more patience. But the rewards? Immeasurable. Think about the extra walks you'll take, exploring new terrains, meeting new four-legged friends along the way. Imagine the joy of seeing your pet experience the beach for the first time, or the fascination in their eyes as they watch a deer darting through a forest. Remember, preparation is key. Just like you wouldn't embark on a journey without packing your essentials, your pet will also need a well-stocked suitcase. From their favorite chew toy to keep them occupied during long rides, to their comfort blanket for unfamiliar hotel rooms. It's essential to ensure their well-being during the journey, as it will likely bring on some anxiety to your faithful friend. And let's not forget about the importance of a pet-friendly itinerary. Research local parks, trails, and pet-friendly establishments in your destination to ensure your furry friend can be part of your adventure. Now you might be thinking, but what about the logistics, the paperwork, the rules and regulations? Yes, all valid points. But with a bit of research and planning, it's more than manageable. And trust us, the memories you'll create with your pet by your side will be worth every extra minute spent on preparation. So, pack up the kibble, grab that leash and start planning your next adventure with your furry friend. After all, they're not just pets, they're family. And what's a family vacation without the whole family? As we wrap this up, remember to give a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, share it with your fellow pet lovers, and subscribe to Leisure Pursuits and Life Passions for more engaging content. Life is just better with your loyal companions around.